Hello everybody, in this video I would like to explain to you
consider a Fourier transform pairs. The signal in this example is signal t, which has -1 values when t is negative and +1 values when t is positive. From the Fourier transform pair, we know that the Fourier transform of the signal t is 2/j omega. Now the question is, what is the Fourier transform of two over j t? If you see the table of Fourier transform pairs, no way you can find the Fourier transform of 2 over jt, which is why we need to learn a property of Fourier transform. Generally, if we have any time domain signal ft, the Fourier transform of ft will produce f omega. And let's say we want to apply Fourier transform consecutively to the f omega. So the output of the first Fourier transform is now the input to the second of Fourier transform. However, since the Fourier transform is a transformation from time domain to frequency domain, we have to change the notation of f omega to ft for the second Fourier transform. The output of the second Fourier transform will be 2 pi multiplied with f minus omega. What is f minus omega? It is basically taken from the inputs of the first Fourier transform ft. We just need to do the time inversion. And then of course multiply the amplitudes with 2 pi. If you wonder, this is called duality property of Fourier transform. This is just another way to explain the duality property. Now, let the input to the first Fourier transform is a signum function. The output of the second Fourier transform will be 2 pi multiplied with signum minus omega. Now the amplitude has been multiplied by 2 pi, and as you can see, the signal is inverse with respect to y-axis. Now back to the question, what is the Fourier transform of 2 over jt? We already have a nice relationship. The Fourier transform of the signum t will produce 2 over j omega, and the output of the second Fourier transform is 2 pi signum minus omega. Let the input to the second Fourier transform be 2 over jt. So the Fourier transform of 2 over jt is 2 pi signum minus omega. I have a question for you. If we have a signal gt, a time domain signal gt, which is equal to 5 sin 10t, what is the Fourier transform of gt, which is g omega? Try to do it by yourself, and good luck.
That's all. I hope to see you in the next video.